Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we'll be drawing few simple flowers using brush pens. And for this I made few ovals, circles and some curves, and for this I have taken 4 different colors, and the very first color I am using is yellow to make the center where the pollens and all will be. And I have marked this and then marked my lines with a pencil to mark these petals. So after this I have taken my red color and I have just pulled with the tip of the brush and then landed total brush on the paper to give the leaf petal shape. So in this way this has turned, and for the leaves also we'll be following the same technique. And after this, once the yellow is dried, I have taken my black color and highlighted the pollen only in the down part and given some dots to represent some seeds or pollen in that. And after that taken my green color and started my leaves. So for leaves also just pull with the tip of the brush and land the total brush to give the drop shape, so to form the leaves. So this has turned in this way, and if you liked it, please give a like, and if you are interested in seeing such more videos, please comment in the comment box so that I can make few more. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time.